So in order for us to install JDK on our machine, we need to first know if we have Java installed or not. Right now, we will go to terminal and see if we already have Java installed. So as you can see, we don't have it installed. So in order for us to download and install it, we will go to our favorite browser, whichever may it be. So here I'm using Google Chrome. I'll go to Chrome and search for Java JDK download. You can mention anything, it will open the same results. So here we will specifically go to the Oracle website. That is what we want to note down. So we go to Oracle website, we will be navigated to the latest JDK version, and here something to note is we will go to the Mac OS section, and then here we need to define see if we have Silicon or we have the Intel Mac. So I have the Intel, so I clicked on the DMG installer and it's downloading it for me. So once it's downloaded, I'll go to the downloads folder and install it. So as you can see, I'm navigating to the downloads folder. So here I have opened the installer and I'll walk you step by step how we can install it. I'll click on continue, click on install. I will need to enter my the Mac password, the one I used to log into the Mac. So it's writing some files, installing it. So installation succeed, and in order for us to verify if it was installed properly, I'll go and do Java version, and which will now our output will be different. So which means it will give us the version of Java installed. So this means we have Java installed, but we have one more step to do, which is setting up the home path to Java home. So for that, we will need to type in that command. I've already mentioned that command in the description, so you can just copy it and it will make it easier for you. You don't have to type anything, just copy that command and paste it in your terminal. And also something to note is you will need to restart your terminal in order for it to take effect. So once you've restarted it and you mention Java home, I'll mention everything in the description so you don't have to worry about what I'm typing there. So just paste that echo Java home and you should see a path. That path is the path to your Java. And if you have output similar to mine, it means you have properly installed Java. So, and that is it. Please like, share, and subscribe.